I'm Yuna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pillowy gnocchi bites. Very few ingredients. You're going to be like, what? That's all I'm seeing in front of you? Yes, you are. In fact, this is even, right there. So I have potatoes. I have cornstarch here. I have the sweet rice flour. You can use any rice flour. The key is if you use all-purpose flour, it's gonna be not as pillowy. It might like break apart. So I just want to warn you that. So if you can find rice flour, please secure that. I highly recommend it. Right out of the gate. By the way, this was a TikTok viral video, and I decided to give it a try. One of the things that they did was like thinly do a little knife mark in the middle. I guess it helps with easy peel. I'm gonna give it a try. I've never done this before. I'm hoping it comes true. So today I'm just using fingering potatoes because it's what I had at home. You can use any type of potatoes as you would like. So I've got about a couple pounds here in boiling water. I'm gonna go ahead and strain it in there. That's it. So we're gonna boil it until it's soft. So it's gonna take about 15 minutes. Alrighty, potatoes are done. And right away, I'm just gonna drain some water. Just dunk it in the cold ice. Ice is cold. What ice do you want? Ooh! Here comes a very free facial. I love getting some steam. Oh wow.
Huh.
I mean, this is already fingering potatoes, so it's, a lot easier to peel, they say. But hey, I'll take any hacks. So, we have our peeled potato. You don't need eggs or anything to bind this. And it's gonna be interesting. In the video, they were having garlic presser to use that. I do not have garlic presser with me, but I have this little mini thing. Once that's done, I've got 2 tablespoons of rice flour in there, and then a tablespoon of cornstarch. So it's supposed to be quite dry, according to the recipe. Oh, before I do that, about a teaspoon of salt. Very much dry. Oh, it feels nice. It's actually therapeutic. It's warm. I love just boiled potato smell. I highly recommend garlic press for this now that I'm doing it, because I'm breaking little chunks between my fingers, and that would have made it a lot easier, certainly. So, we're at the end of it almost. Okay, once we have that done, we're gonna roll this out. I have a ball right here. So it's like a gnocchi. While you have that, make sure that the thickness is pretty consistent throughout the log. What I'll do is hit the stove, set this at about medium-high, turning into gnocchi bites, and we're just gonna pan fry these. Let's that's it. I kind of like seeing all these potato size or potato pieces in there. Oh yeah, real quick, huh?
Sure.
So time to turn the heat to low. Working with basically no raw ingredient other than the flour you add. And in this case, I'm using rice flour. Ooh. All right, you guys, we made pillowy potato bites. Pillowy potato bites. I think it's like milky bites. So I love the fact that I didn't have to boil and dirty another dish. It was so straightforward, and the rice flour and cornstarch together, I mean, they worked so beautifully with potato. And potatoes are naturally starchy, so I think that was a home run. Yeah, I got it on the pan. You hear this? Oh yeah, you do. So it's, oh my gosh, obsessed. Season it with a little bit of chili powder. Ketchup is a main dipping sauce. Ooh. Just for extra. Woo. So this is it, you guys. I think this is another party pleaser. This is all age friendly and friendly for dairy intolerant or gluten intolerant people. So the TikTok videos that I saw had cheese in it. I skipped that because I wanted to see the actual taste of it and the texture without the cheese. It is extra pillowy right now. So I say you can skip the cheese altogether and still pillowy. And ooh! And if we're not connected on Instagram or YouTube, this is me. Please follow me at Yuna Cooks. I upload a new video with new recipes, and yes, let's connect on Instagram. Cheers, everybody.